Hello everyone, this is Teacher L, and for today, we're going to learn about subtraction of like fraction. In the problem, we have 7 over 9 minus 2 over 9. The number at the top, the 7 and 2, we call that as our numerator, and the number at the bottom, we call that as a denominator. We can easily spot that it is a like fraction since the denominator is the same. For our choices, we have 5 over 9, 1, 5 over 8, and 4. So take a look for the solution. 7 over 9 minus 2 over 9, that is equal to 5 over 9. 5 comes from 7 minus 2, and since this is a like fraction, we're just going to copy the denominator 9. So our final answer is 5 over 9, so that is letter A. For the next example, we have 15 over 6 minus 9 over 6. For our choices, we have 1 over 6, 2, 5 over 9, and 1. For our solution, we have 15 over 6 minus 9 over 6, that is equal to 6 over 6. 6 comes from 15 minus 9, and since this is a like fraction, we just copy the denominator 6. Then we simplify. 6 divides 6, that is 1. So our answer is letter D. For our third example, we have 4 over 3 minus 2 over 3. Our choices are 2 over 3, 3, 6 over 3, and 2. For our solution, 4 over 3 minus 2 over 3, that is 2 over 3. 2 comes from 4 minus 2, and since this is a like fraction, we're just going to copy the denominator 3. So our answer is 2 over 3, that is letter A. So in the given, we have 4 over 5 minus 1 over 8. As you can see, we have 4 and 1 as our numerator and 5 and 8 as our denominator. So since the denominator are not the same, so this is a unlike fraction. For the choices, we have 27 over 40, 37 over 45, 37 over 40, and 35 over 45. So for our solution, 4 over 5 minus 1 over 8. First, we multiply the denominator. 5 times 8, that is equal to 40. Then we cross multiply. First, we multiply 4 times 8, that is 32. Then we multiply next the 5 and 1, so that is 5. Then we just add the subtraction sign in between. So 32 minus 5, that is 27, and we just copy the denominator 40. Since we cannot reduce this to lowest term, so our answer is letter A, 27 over 40. Next, we have 5 over 6 minus 1 over 4. For our choices, we have 27 over 40, 7 over 12, 37 over 40, and 35 over 45. For our solution, 5 over 6 minus 1 over 4. The first thing to do is multiply the denominator. So our denominator are 6 and 4. So we multiply 6 and 4, this is 24. Then the next thing is we cross multiply. So first we multiply 5 and 4, that is 20. Then we multiply 6 and 1, that is 6. Tapos mag-add lang tayo ng minus sign in between. So we simplify 20 minus 6, that is 14. Tapos copy lang natin yung denominator na 24. So since this answer can be reduced to lowest term, because 14 and 24 can be divided by 2. So 14 divided 2 is 7, and 24 divided 2 is 12. So our answer is letter B, 7 over 12. Next, we have 3 over 7 minus 2 over 5. So for our choices, pwede nyo ring itry, no? For our solution, we have 7 over 3 minus 2 over 5. So first, we multiply 7 times 5, So that is 35. Tapos we cross multiply. 3 times 5, that is 15. Then we multiply 7 and 2, that is 14. Tsaka we add subtraction sign since this is a subtraction of unlike fraction. So we simplify 15 minus 14, that is 1. Then copy lang natin yung denominator na 35. So our answer is letter B, 1/35.